Nailed the poor bastard to the wall.
Passengers on flight HA356 to San Francisco.
Hi. Towards the rear of the plane, left-hand side. Boarding pass, please.
Oh.
To left-hand side, sir, towards the rear of the plane.
Okay, thank you.
Hi.
You sitting up here? Oh.
Hello there.
No, I'm back there.
Important business in Washington, and USGS has you sitting in the back of the plane.
I recommend a sweet publishing deal. Big TV star like you. Yeah.
To left.
Oh, yeah. I take it you had a gun to your head this afternoon? Yeah. Well, you could say that. Fiona and William? Oh, they're on a plane to London. Oh, see ya.
Hello there.
Okay, guys. The last number's in. Fingers crossed.
Just what are we looking at here?
1,500 cubic kilometers of melt. That's just the top of the chamber.
Sorry.
Sir, please sit down. The captain hasn't turned the fasten seatbelt sign off yet. Sir,
Field off. I need to speak
Sir,
to the
I have to
captain,
ask
please.
you to turn your phone off.
Jack! I think he's over here!
Don't touch my arm! This is it, Matt. It started.
Is there or is there not a magma chamber underneath Yellowstone National Park?
Yes.
And is this magma chamber of sufficient size that if there was an eruption there, it could potentially be rated as a super eruption?
Could, right? Precisely, could.
If there is an eruption, then there is a good possibility that it's going to be a moderate one.
Isn't enough, Rick. If there's even the slightest chance of this happening, I want to know what that means.
And we would be looking at between 2,000 and 3,000 cubic kilometers of rock, gas, and ash erupting across the United States in a pattern that looks like this.
Expect an eruption anytime soon, and possibly with devastating consequences for America and the world.
Oh, Jesus, Rick, just be honest with me.
I'm being honest with you. Yes.
This is going to be a big eruption. You've got to come with us.
I don't need you to tell me what harmonic tremor means.
If I upgrade to a red, everyone's going to think that we've got a super eruption on our hands. I am not going to be held responsible for some kind of mass panic.
Mr. Lieberman, Mr.
Yes, hang on. Hang on. Yes.
Are you still denying the possibility of a super eruption? It's twice as likely as an asteroid strike, according to some experts.
And half as unlikely as being struck by lightning, Miss Chin. And how many of us lose sleep over that?
Down. The captain hasn't turned the fasten your seatbelt on.
This is it, Matt. It started.
Hey, Bob.
Nice dress. I'm sorry to haul you away.
Not a problem. Who have I got from USGS?
No one.
What?
And can't get through to the field office at the moment.
Hey, Dave.
Michael Elders is on his way over.
Is this vacuumetry all we have on this?
Yeah, and it's only a projection.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, Air Force, I need a plane up there as close as it can get taking a look at this thing. Let's brief the White House on little we know so far. Dave, get back on the line. I want to talk to Governor Marshall in Wyoming, Joe Foster at Homeland, and keep trying the Yellowstone field office. And Bob, please get me something else to wear.
Sure. Mary?
You need to take a look, man. You need to see what's going on. Make contact with Dave. Let him know what's happening. Go.
Okay. Sir, there are no cell phones permitted on this aircraft.
I understand.
Sir, I have to ask you to turn your phone off.
My name is Richard Lieberman. I'm the scientist in charge of Yellowstone Volcano Observatory. I'm receiving news of an emergency here that could affect the flight path and safety of this aircraft.
Oh my God, has something happened?
I need to speak to the captain, please.
Okay.
Dave, come in, Dave. This is Matt. Damn it. Dave, this is Matt.
Hey, Matt, it's me. I'm heading out to Bozeman. Where are you?
Just to the northeast of Norris.
What are you seeing?
Oh, it's a single vent, moderate size in a moment. How far from Bozeman are you?
About an hour.
Okay, listen. Rick is on his way back from Washington. We got shaken up pretty good back at the field office. It's completely down. What can you do for us?
I'll be up and running in 30 minutes. It's been estimated that within the first hour, 100 million tons of pumice, rock and ash were ejected, powered out by something with the explosive force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. Then the wind carried the top of the column eastwards. Within an hour or so, pumice and ash began to fall in towns hundreds of miles away from Yellowstone. Cody, Billings, Idaho Falls, Bozeman, where Dave was.
Can you give me a hand? I just got a few things in the back of the truck to unload. Thanks a lot. Rick! Rick, it's Dave!
Dave, listen. Has this seismic activity, has it triggered an eruption?
Yeah. Matt said it's a single vent.
Okay. Dave, I need to determine the size of this vent. I need to do that as soon as possible, all right?
All the equipment's down, and Matt can't get a clear view from the chopper. Just put that down anywhere. I'm booting up a link to... Please, tell me you have a high-speed data port. Oh, yeah, it's right over there. Oh, thank God. Thank you. Sorry, Rick. Yeah. I'll have a satellite uplink in a few minutes. Should be able to see the ash cloud, and I'll patch in the back.
Okay, listen.